Hello crafters and welcome to Spring into Sandown Online Craft Show. I'm Michelle Brown, Creative Director from Picture to Page and Beyond Papercraft Shows, and we are so excited for you to be joining us here. Now if you do see any stray comments in the comments, please don't click on any of the links. Our background team is onto that, but we are so excited to be joining you today. Now normally from Picture to Page and Beyond Papercraft Show would be heading down to the Sandown Raceway for 3 days of in-person shows. Now we're not there, but we're doing the next best thing, and we're coming straight into your homes, craft rooms, and onto your iPads and computers and phones to share a lovely 3 days of crafting with you. So we're going to be here every day on the hour, live here on Facebook, or you might be watching a replay on Facebook or on YouTube. Regardless of how you're seeing us, pop in the comments, say hi, just like Lisa and Christine and Denise have. It's so lovely for you to join us. And while we can't be here in person, it is so lovely to be here, knowing that we can craft together and be together and connect through in spirit. Now, for all the details of Spring into Sandown Online Craft Show, head over to our website from picturetopageandbeyond.com.au. There you can click on the Spring into Sandown logo, and then you can see all the programs for day 1, day 2, and day 3. Plus, get in touch with our retailers. And while you're there, make sure you sign up to our email list so you'll get the weekly updates, know what's going on, and then if we have to do any last-minute changes, that will be the place to get all the information. So we're looking forward to a fantastic day. Thanks, Kath. Thanks, Elizabeth. Hi, Em. It's just going to be so much fun. So we're looking forward to a day. So let's run through what is on today. So first up, we've got Mixed Media Art doing some art journaling inspired by Marlene. We then got Peninsula Papercraft Boutique, and we've got them doing some lovely simple stamping with Jen. We've then got Eclectic Images, and Kathy's doing a really gorgeous Aussie beach scene. We then got Michelle from Snazzy Scrapping, and she's doing some fantastic new releases, and we're so looking forward to seeing what she's got. I haven't even seen a sneak preview, so we will all be seeing those together. We've then got Jen with Hillbilly Scrapping, and she'll be showing some of their kits that they have available. We'll then have Jenny from Kazaz, and she'll be showing their fantastic new Colour Your World range, and that's really an exciting way of putting some stamps and stencils and colours together. We'll then have Mary from Craftstone, and she'll be showing us card making made easy, and Mary is such an inspiration for those of us that might be a little bit unsure about getting going, or just so many different ways to use the things we've got. We'll then I will be back with Mixed Media Art doing some art journaling inspired by Dina Wakely. Then at 6 o'clock this evening, we'll be having our very special guest artist, Marlene, and she'll be showing off her new Art by Marlene collection. And then to wrap up the day, we've got Jennifer from Crafters Cupboard, and she'll be doing some paper dolls. So that is the lineup for the day. We've got 29 sessions over the next 3 days, 18 retailers. It's just going to be so much fun. We're really looking forward to it. And it won't just be me. I'll also have Wendy and Tamara helping us out as well. So if you do have any questions, like we always say, pop in the comments, say hi, let us know that you're there. Really do feel like we're being part of it. We're all here watching it together, whether you're watching the replay or live. And we're just looking forward to the most amazing weekend. So I hope you can join us. I hope you're looking forward to crafting along, crafting in parallel, perhaps trying a few things. If you are, please share your projects and either on Facebook or Instagram using the hashtags P2Pcraft and Spring into Sandown, and then we will be able to follow them up and see what you've been creating. So I really look forward to having a fantastic day 1 of Spring into Sandown, and we hope you have a very crafty weekend.